So hello everybody out there, this is Utsav Singh from Smart Tech, and today we are going to start a new series, that is Blender Beginner Series. So this is the first part and it just includes the viewport, etc. So I'm going to get you guys familiar with the editor settings. So let's get started right away. First you will need to download Blender. That is very basic, right? So I'll just open Google Chrome and search for Blender. You know what? Just type in blender.org, blender.org. That will do. I'll just let it open and download Blender 2.79. Right? I'll just close this. Now that is a pretty straightforward install, so I won't be guiding you guys through. As you can see, I have already installed Blender 2.79 and have been using it for quite some time. So we have this right here, so I can move. Now first thing first, you will notice something. To select things, you gotta right click on them, not left click. Left click won't work, right click does. So right click, left click to move using these arrows. So how am I navigating, right? So the first thing that you guys need to know is press and hold the middle mouse button to drag and rotate your screen. Press and hold shift and middle mouse button to pan on the screen and scroll up and down to zoom out and in. So this is pretty basic. Now press shift F. This will move you into walk mode. Now you can move in using W, back using S, left using A, D using right using D, and Q to go down, E to move up. So this is your perspective view. Now this is like human eye. This is not perfect, right? Just press 5 on your numpad. Always remember numpad. This will set you into orthographic view. And now you press 1 on your numpad to go into front orthographic. This one. So this is a front orthographic view, right? Now press 3 to go to a right orthographic view, 9 to go to left orthographic view, 7 to top orthographic view. That's that, right? Now press Ctrl and 1 on your numpad to go to back, front, opposite back, right? Now press 3, this will be right. Press Ctrl 3, this will be left. Press 7, this will be top. Remember, all this on your numpad, only on your numpad. This won't work on the normal keys above the alphabetical keys. Now press Ctrl 7 to go to bottom view in the ortho. Now drag out, scroll out to zoom out, scroll in to zoom in. Press shift and hold the middle mouse button. Hold shift and drag the middle mouse button to pan, and press hold shift and scroll down to move down, scroll up to move up, control scroll down to move left, this time holding control, hold control and scroll up. These are all the methods you will ever use. So just middle mouse button here. This is pretty easy. Now the next thing I gotta cover is the main layout. So there are many hotkeys and stuff. I'll just teach you the basics. Usually this will be open. What I did is press N to close, open and close this, and T to open and close the tools tab. Right now you can also use these plus keys, but this is more efficient, right? So I've seen many people do something like this. Tag their windows awfully. Until and unless you don't have multiple monitors, don't do this. Now you will notice that you are stuck. You can just drag it here. It gets pretty strange, right? So what do? Get stuck. all you need to do now is pretty much, if now as you can see there, the three lines, drag it and you will see a light gray background with a white arrow, transparent arrow. Now this time you can't drag it to the left. Why is that? Because these two windows are not uniform in size. They can't be scaled. This can't move halfway like this. That will be strange, right? So just select this. Oh no. Just select this and drag it to the left. And select this and drag it down. And select this and drag it to the left. Now you have got your whole window right up again. So there's one more little thing, the console window. You just need to select this and drag it out. Now you can go here and change between different modes. Top sheet and go to your 3D view. Top sheet is used for animation, and I'll just, there are here above as well. Now this is pretty much straightforward. Now what is the use of the number of the keys above the alphabetical keys? So 1 2. Now as you notice, the moment I press 2 on the number keys above the alphabetical keys, everything disappears. Why is that? Because here you can see these are scenes in our project. This is used to, like, this is our main scene. I've got this base cube. I'll just, oh wow, I'll just press M to move and press 2 or click here. Now I've got a backup of the old object, right? Now I want to edit this. I'll just subdivide and subdivide so smooth. Don't worry, I will be teaching guys this as well. Pretty straightforward once you know what you're doing. And like this. So I don't know what I'm making, but let's just see. Right, I just scaled it. I've got this good looking box. Oh, cool. Now I want to make this move to 2. Now this can also work as an LOD if you are making things like trees or infrastructure like churches, high resolution building, highly detailed objects. So this will be like something like, if I now just select these two and press I on my keyboard and scale downwards. So now I've got, oh sorry, I accidentally moved it to 3. Now as you can see, LODs are level of details actually. So now as you can see, these level of details get applied as the camera moves away from the object. So as you get up, when you are close, the computed vertices will be these many, 1792. This highly detailed model, this is seriously detailed enough. Now as you move away from this, it will go to 1408, and as you move very farther away, this will be like 12 vertices, 12 triangles or 6 faces, right? So this is always used in game optimization, and this also helps to keep backup copies. So I always use layers. For example, I will just show you one. Like, I press open, I go to my, let's just see, science map, 82.8 MB, pretty big, right? So I've got these different layers. Now this is the stuff I'm talking about. Like, these are different things put together, and this is all the stuff that I first made. This is like a modular environment. This is the pipe and the grill. This is the gate. This is the roof, and there must be a floor as well, somewhere around here. This one, nope. It should be somewhere. Oh, it's in there. Now, as you can see, I made a floor as well. I added the grills on both the sides, and I added these as well, continuously making copies for later uses. And I assemble this, a modular environment, very fast, not at all hard if you look at it, but not at all optimized as well. Never make these are really bad. So you can use this pretty easily. This is some basic stuff. So, sorry guys. Okay, now we have got all this. I'll just reload start file. Come on. Okay, so here we have a startup file. We lost that good looking cube, but not a problem, right? So that will be pretty much it. There's a lot of things to cover in future videos, so no problem, don't get very raw, and always keep exploring guys, never to stop that. So here we go. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot. Goodbye until next time. Thanks for watching.